extra things for your, like your 403B, for retirement or something like that if you have a limit, but that is not our case for this one. Moving on to I, non-taxable combat pay. Combat pay, what do you think that is? Yeah? Military, okay. None of us are in the military right now. And then it says, for Z, add lines 1A through 1H. Okay, so I'm going to add these all together for Z, and that would be $48,500 still. All right, I'm going to jump past some of these very quickly for you. Tax exempt interest. Did you know that in some states they charge certain interest and in some states they don't? So there might be something like that you should have gotten taxed for in a different state that you want to report here. Qualified dividends are for stocks. IRA distributions are, again, for that kind of thing. Pensions and annuities. Pension is like when you retire from a company and they give you retirement benefits. Social Security benefits is also for retiring. So we have none of these things. All right, and then capital gains or losses, this is all about stocks right there. We do not have any stocks. So this is basically any additional income that you might be getting that goes through here. But we do have, we need to figure out where our 1099 INT goes. So let's go to Google. And we're going to type in, where do I report 1099 INT on taxes? Okay. It says for me on Google, if you receive a Form 1099 INT, are you guys seeing the same thing? You'll need to include the amount shown in box 1 on the taxable interest line of your tax return. Taxable interest line. What'd you say? Under the total? Here? Right there on B? Why am I not seeing it? Tell me which line it is. The one that I'm touching right now? 2B? Okay. So tax exempt interest and taxable interest right there, shown in box 8. It's hard to see the boxes on this one, but that's this amount right here. On your 1099 INT. Because right now on this first page, what they're trying to do on the 1040 is they're trying to figure out all the money that you made this year. And the only money that you made is from your job and from your bank account. So we're going to put that one right here on 2B under taxable interest line. And that is $2,456.23. Whoops, I put a comma in there. So that's adding up all of our extra stuff, and it is taxable. Report any tax exempt interest shown in box 8. This is not tax exempt interest. And then I believe it says that we need to, capital gain or losses, additional income, we need to add all of these up. So if you look at step 9, it says add lines 1Z, 2B, 3B, all of those, that's your total income. So we basically need to take a calculator, and we're going to add that $48,500 and add $2,456.23. This is the total amount you made. Let's look up, is everybody okay with this so far? Let's look up on the instructions, line 10. Going back to the instructions, right where I was before, and I'm looking up line 10. Because it says exemptions, and anytime it says exemptions or deductions, that means I can take money off my taxes, so it's definitely worth me looking to see what it